The Treehouse, Singapore. The treehouse in Singapore is a stunning example of eco-friendly architecture. Designed by DP Architects and completed in 2013, this residential complex holds the Guinness World Record for the largest vertical garden. The building's facade is covered in lush greenery, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also provides environmental benefits such as reducing heat absorption and improving air quality. The treehouse was designed with sustainability in mind, incorporating energy-saving features such as rainwater harvesting systems, motion sensors for lighting, and an efficient air conditioning system. The vertical garden helps to insulate the building, reducing the need for artificial cooling and lowering energy consumption. In addition to its environmental benefits, the treehouse offers residents a unique living experience. The building's green facade creates a sense of living in a natural environment, despite being in the heart of a bustling city. The design of the treehouse is a testament to the potential of green architecture and serves as a model for sustainable urban living.